Hi everyone, today we are going to fix Beats by Dr. Dre. It's an old version, I think it's the first generation, and we are going to fix it, the charging port. Let's dive you in the device. This is the device. I see that plug with the device is like iPhone 3GS or iPhone 4. It's very old version, but we are going to fix it today. The model is Beatbox Portable. Beatbox Portable. Okay, the problem is with the charging port, and we are trying to fix from here because I see that the positive or the plus pole is damaged, and we are trying to fix it with with our solder machine, because this device is very difficult to take it apart and cannot find the same charging port if needed. But we will try our best to adjust some pin here to make it like positive pole and make connection with the charging port. Okay, let's dive you with the repair right now. Okay, we think that now is okay. We will test. Let's show here. Like we did like a tin. We put a tin on the pin positive and tin on the pin negative, because this device, like I said before, is very hard to open it, and we try to open, but it's very hard. And yeah, we think that we fix it. We will try now and see if it works. Let me grab the charger. Okay, now we have the charger here, and let me test with the charger. Okay, now in the moment that charger will work, the charging port will work, the red line will turn on here. Let's plug the charger, and it's power on. Yeah, the job is done. See here the power on. Yeah, amazing. See, take it out, charger, it's power off. Yeah, the job is done, and thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. We are going to make another video next time. Thank you.